Today, I'm unboxing the Galaxy S24 FE. As you can see, the seal is already open because it was an open box delivery from Amazon. But let me show you what's inside. Okay, so on the top, we've got the phone here. This is in mint color. Let's put it aside and see what else we got. Okay, so in here, first we've got the charging cable. We have some paperwork. And this right here is the SIM ejector tool. This is the standard C2C charging cable. Now let's take a look at our phone. Okay, so the sides have a matte finish and the left side is plain. You have got the power button and volume rockers on the right side. The SIM card tray is right here. And on the bottom, you've got the Type-C port and the speakers. As you can see, the corners are curved, same as the S23 FE, but the sides are flat. And on the back side, you've got the same 3-camera setup. And this right here is the glass back in mint color, and right here is the Samsung branding. As you can see, the bezels are still thick, but they are thinner as compared to the S23 FE. As you can see, out of the box, it comes with One UI 7. So this was the Galaxy S24 FE, Samsung's budget flagship of 2025.